There we go. Just a real nice big trigger. And he's just shy of 15. But nice real big trigger. Oh, another trigger. There seems to be a bunch of really nice triggers here. But, still not keepers. Too close. Be careful. The waves are bad. I do catch mangroves out here occasionally. I catch lanes out here occasionally. And I got to get through the triggers to be able to get to them. And mine got me. Lots and lots of triggers. It's a little triggerfish. And while I'm changing the battery out in the camera, I did catch a keeper, a triggerfish. We caught a couple of shorts, but Keep trying. I got a jack of some kind. Oh, mackerel. No, it's a little jack. It's a little jack.
All right.
I kept seeing them down there swimming around, but I wasn't sure what they were.
There's a bunch of them there too.
So, little jack. He looks like an amberjack. I can get him to quit flopping around. I think you got one too.
Oh, no, there's another one. He hit it off another one.
Little jack. They're not amberjack, but they are just little jacks. And they're probably edible, I don't know. Mitch has got a nice one over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's big school up there. I'm gonna take a picture of it and see if I can figure out what exactly it is.
Right. No, I am with that.
I mean, they could be. They're fun to catch.
They are. Quite good.
Trigger. Well, his little jack is trying to take the bait out of his mouth.
I saw that one. I thought he got loose and the next one grabbed it. So it came out of his mouth and other than that.
This one's only 13. I'll show you what we're fishing here. So this is just listed as an obstruction out here. And that's the stuff that's on the bottom right there. And these are all fish up in here. And it's a mixture of at least those little AJs or whatever kind of jack they are. They're probably little amberjack and triggerfish. But I'm hoping that there's something else with it. We'll see. Another jack. No trigger. Yes, they are. Trigger. There's a pile of fish here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that might be good there.
Keep your rod tip down.
Huh?
Keep your rod tip down and pull up. Okay.
Stay it down. That's fine.
Hang on. That's good. You're welcome to sit down right there if you like.
Struggle. I think he got hungry and then
He got down in that structure, is what he did.
right here, he come out a little bit. Here, you want to take over? He's still coming out. I think he will. He's definitely good, I'm sure.
Oh no. Good fish though, whatever it is.
Yeah. He's what Molly has. Take your time to see.
Oh,
Ah, shit. Dang.
he didn't break, he just pulled the hook.
Dang.
Pulled the hook off.
Pull the hook. Yeah, pull that ring out.
That's a
Dang.
big fish.
He was a, how was it going?
Oh me.
Dang it.
Let me see if I can.
Hmm?
Fighting like a trigger.
Like a bonefish or something.
7-aught hook on it.
And,
Got a 7-aught hook on it.
oh, okay.
Trigger.
Get off.
Good trigger though.
Keep him swim sort of the same.
Yeah.
Keep him like swimming.
We'll check in. He looks close.
That will go.
Close. 14 3/4. Close, but not quite there.
No, I don't think this is not no caper. Not bad. A fun one.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Alright, well, we're back inshore, and we just pulled up on the sailboat wreck right here by St. Andrews. We're going to fish it for a minute, see if anything will bite. If not, we'll keep going, see what we can catch. Oh, you got your white
grunt.
Grunt. The Key West grunt.
Key West grunt.
They call them white snappers.
Yeah.
That's the Key West grunt. That's a nice one. They're good to eat if you like to eat them.
Yeah, I don't want much. It's good lemon right off the bat.
Ruby grunt. Little red snapper. Another keeper.
Yeah, I mean, I'll put it out there and I'll catch it. You know, I'll buy it all night long. And then go a couple of days later when the moon starts to come in full, you can't use but 2 poles.
Little red snapper. Alright, we're gonna go try somewhere else. The only thing we can catch here are little fish. Maybe somebody got a bass boat.
Yeah.
Little red snapper. Seems to be a bunch of these little red snapper. Tell which one has been eating bait. You got 3 baits in the water now. He's been chomping on them.
Chomping it up.
I like this guy. Little red snapper. All right, well, I'm gonna call it a day. Closing out my camera. It's been a pretty good day. We started off catching red snapper first thing this morning. We went offshore and caught a pile of triggers. Still catching red snapper inshore. Oh, it came off. We caught a bunch of fish. We do have one keeper triggerfish, and we just couldn't get the keeper red snapper to bite. I mean, we've been all over snapper everywhere we fished inshore and probably offshore, but couldn't get through the triggerfish to catch anything else. But I appreciate you joining me. I hope you learned something. Glad that Mitch came and fished with me today. I'm hoping that he learned something as well. But I won't be out tomorrow. I've got something that I got to go do, and but I will be out here next weekend. I've got people coming Friday and Saturday. So I will see you next time. Thanks.